Is your File Explorer acting like it's stuck in the Stone Age? Don't worry, because in the next 90 seconds, we'll show you how to bring it back to life. First, let's try the easiest solution sometimes. A simple restart is all it needs. Right-click on the File Explorer icon in your taskbar. If you don't see it, press Ctrl-Shift-S to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, locate Windows Explorer, click on it, and then click the End Task button. Don't worry, this won't harm your files now. Click on File in the top left corner. Select Run New Task, type Explorer and hit Enter. This restarts File Explorer. If that didn't fix it, let's move on to System File Checker. Click on the Windows search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. It's important to run it as an administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type SFC, scanO and press Enter. This command scans and repairs corrupted system files, which can sometimes cause File Explorer issues. This process can take some time, so be patient. Outdated drivers can also cause problems. Open Device Manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Expand Display Adapters, Network Adapters, and other relevant categories. Right-click on each device and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will look for and install the latest drivers. Finally, let's check for software conflicts. Press the Windows key R, type msconfig and hit Enter. Go to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services and click Disable All. Next, go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Disable all startup items. Restart your computer. If File Explorer works fine now, then one of those disabled programs was causing the issue. You can then enable them one by one to find the culprit. And that's it. You've troubleshooted your File Explorer. Hopefully, one of these steps has brought your File Explorer back to its speedy self. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips.